Hello, this is Cameron, United Credit. We have the new updated list for the week. We have several trade lines here ranging from 2017. We have some 2018, 6, 7, 8, 10-year lines. So we have a variety of lines here. A couple credit union trade lines. Now, the credit union trade lines are good because they tend to post on all three credit bureaus. Something like a Citibank or a Chase may only post on Experian and TransUnion. So always make sure when you buy trade lines, inquire what bureaus do they post on, because not all trade lines post on all bureaus. Discover posts on all three. That's a good one to have as well. Elan posts on all three. So we can do free consulting. If you have any questions, call us 202-213-2218. All these lines are CPN friendly. And get on our list, a trade line list at tradelines.biz. Our trade lines stay on 60 days, and we offer the free 30-minute consultation. If you want to have a review of your credit profile, be it CPN or Social Security profile, we can review that and let you know exactly what trade lines may benefit you, how they may benefit you, or they may not benefit you. Sometimes you can waste your money. You can buy a trade line and the credit profile is set up in such a way that the trade line won't help you. For example, if you have a lot of derogatories, negative items on your profile, then a trade line won't help you. If you have multiple accounts, about 20 accounts, a trade line probably won't help you there as well. Or if high utilization, unless you buy a high limit trade line, then it may not help you. But again, we do a free review to let you know how trade lines can help you. Just call us 202-213-2218. Also, we're still doing the credit repair. We have a discounted service this month only. A full-blown credit repair for $675. We can't get off bankruptcies. Get off tax lien. So basically nothing we can't remove from your profile. Call for details about the credit repair. CPNs this month are $125 CPN, so call about that as well. That's it for today. Subscribe to our channel for the weekly updates on trade lines or anything that we're doing. We're also doing business trade lines and primaries as well. So call for details. Thank you. Have a great day.